Hello. I have been asked if I had upgraded from my belt survival kit to a backpack. And I have. The reason why is I can carry more in a backpack. And my belt kit that I had is in this backpack. Plus a little bit more gear. So the reason why I turned to the backpack is because, like I mentioned, I can carry more gear. And the main piece of gear that I wanted to carry was a piece of gear that anywhere from 32 Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, and above, I can keep my core temperature regulated in most cases. If I had fallen down, broken my leg, I can't scrounge around and gather firewood. I can use this piece of gear and keep warm. Very important. If it's below a certain temperature, below 32 Fahrenheit and such, I wouldn't need as large of a fire because I may not have the firewood in an area to keep me warm all night. So you save on firewood. Also, there's a lot of bugs. That's another reason. This can keep the bugs off of you. So carrying an extra 2 pounds, fairly compact, and using a backpack, it made sense to me. Plus I have room in my backpack to take extra gear if I like. So just having a belt is very nice, and I can still use that when I want to. But using the backpack and the gear I have in this, it is far more superior than what I had. So what I'm talking about is this right here. That is a 0-degree sleeping bag plus a waterproof bivvy in this. This allows me to anywhere from 0 Celsius to 32 Fahrenheit and above. I am not fire dependent. Being dependent on fire, it can be deadly because you can't always get a fire going. If it's just raining buckets, you have to have a way to cover that fire, and if you don't have that, fire is not going to help because you're not going to get it. Many reasons why you can't start firewood. You may not have the material to start fire. So having a sleeping bag which weighs a couple pounds and it's very compact, I don't have to worry about that. Anywhere from 0 Fahrenheit and above, right here with this, I am not fire dependent. That's why I turned to a backpack. It just made total sense to me. And if I'm hurt and can't move, I can still crawl into this. It may hurt to do so, but I can, and keep that core temperature regulated. So I hope that answers the question I was asked, why I turned to a backpack. This one here weighs around 10 pounds. And I've got other videos on this and the contents in this pack that I'll leave a link that you can click on. But that's the reason, and for me, I feel a lot safer out here. I've trained in a lot of different ways in survival, and I know many ways if I didn't have this, but this can make it a lot easier, and why not? I still suggest that people practice other skills. Don't just rely on a sleeping bag. You still may need fire. You definitely will need shelter, especially if you don't have a bivvy. But having that knowledge and the combination of a sleeping bag and the rest of your gear can save your life. Thanks for watching. Take care, and as always, I appreciate it.